So the first competition is district welding, where we go to the Career Academy, which is located at SCC in Lincoln. There the students have to read a blueprint and then create that using the specified metal and the size of electrodes, or the specific electrodes they need, or the specific filler rod. Usually it's around 4 to 6 welds depending on the process. Some of them might have up to 8. It could be flat, vertical, horizontal welds. And then there's also a written test component where the students have to answer questions about welding, welding safety, processes, electricity, etc. Then from there, if they qualify for state, the top 5 teams qualify for state. We won districts, so we qualified automatically for the state competition. And then the state competition is run in a very similar format with the welding blueprints, the welds, and then the written test. I think the biggest challenge was finding time to practice. Parker's not in a welding class, so his practice had to be outside of class time. The other 3 are in a welding class, which was helpful that they had time in class, but they're still balancing practicing for the contest with building projects and other choice projects that they wanted to do in welding. And then finding time to do the bookwork is always hard too, because that's not exactly the most exciting part of preparing for the welding contest, and really being prepared for that written test. I think I just enjoyed being around them. They worked really hard. They wanted to win, and having kids that are excited about welding, wanting to make the team, wanting to win districts, and then being there with them when they were announced as state champions was really exciting. We were really fortunate to have some community members that came in to help. Andy Carmen and Derek Eggers came in frequently to help with our welders and making sure that they were prepared for state, and that's always nice to have experts in the field come in and help prepare a team.
I'm Zach Hawley, and I competed in oxyacetylene welding. First I start my puddle, and then I move the torch along, and if I had filler wire I would dip the filler wire in and finish running the bead all the way across the plate until I'm at the end. This type of welding is commonly used on jewelry and other small items like soldering wire together. It's really common and it's lightweight and portable. I picked this kind of welding because I've known how to do it for a long time. Mr. Mackey taught me in 7th grade and I've always liked doing it.
It's Peyton. I competed in state MIG welding. Alright, so first you push this button. You push the button and you just drag it nice and slow. Go back and forth. Alright, MIG welding can be used for basically anything up to small material like body work, and then big stuff like industrial work on big machines and everything. I chose MIG welding because I'm decent at it. It's pretty simple and every other spot was filled up basically. Hey, stop it. Stop!
I'm Parker and I competed in the state welding competition in stick. To stick weld, you have to strike your arc, and then you have to get your puddle going, and then you just do small circles or back and forth or just drag it. Stick welding can be used on the farm, or like they use it on the industrial side to weld pipe together. I chose to do stick welding because it's more complicated than MIG and it's not that hard.
My name's Lane Buckmeyer and I do TIG welding. Alright, so in TIG welding you need a filler rod and a torch or gun and a foot pedal. You push the foot pedal and you make an arc with it. Then you make the puddle and then you dip your tungsten like that and then just go down the line. Alright, okay. So with TIG welding you can do it basically everything. Mild steel, TIG steel, stainless. And then I chose this because we needed a TIG welder for a competition last year. So Ms. B told me to try it out and I liked it and got kind of good at it. So here I am.
Go.
Test.
Keep going.
Test.
Testing, testing.
You're loud.
Okay.
Thanks.
I don't want to be. Yeah. My name's Peyton, and I weld.
Over here.
Yeah, that's not very good.
Go.
My name is Peyton Grotran, and I competed in the state FFA welding competition, and I got 5th.
In what?
Welding.
Because I have a pen.
Go.
My name's Peyton Grotran. Cut it!